Hello guys, I'm gonna make a review of how to replace or remove the U-joints on a Chevy truck with a aluminum transmission shaft. I'm using a vise just to hold this piece, but what I'm using mostly is the grinder to remove them because I don't have enough tools to work with. I don't have a press, I don't have a hammer. All I have is a small hammer, a big hammer. Anyway, I already removed the ones from connecting this the front U-joint and the rear. I already removed those. It's pretty simple. All I'm doing is grinding off the head caps of the U-joints. Let me show you real quick how I'm doing it. If you can see it right there, over here I already took that one off. I'm gonna do this one right now. I'll cut it with my grinder. It has a metal sheath, real thin. It says 40 grit. I got it at Harbor Freight for $11 with a coupon. So let me do that real quick and I'll show you how to pop the caps off too. But let me set my camera so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully, well, I'll try my best. Hopefully you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna do it. It's almost there. I don't know, you could see it, but it's almost there. It's like about half an inch almost done. I just had to get it closer so the grinder gets it. But yeah, be careful not to damage the transmission shaft, nor this one nor the other one. I mean, you can bump it a little bit, but nothing that will break it or anything. Let me continue real quick. Done. It's right here. That's what's left of the U-joint. It's pretty hot. That's what I come up with. Now you can get some piece of block or just like pop out. Oh yeah, watch for these parts and just pop it out. Heat it up or hit it with a socket and a hammer and pop it out. Let me see if I can do it real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna heat it up with my torch, propane. let me show you how to pop it off too. I'll use a socket enough for the U-joint cap and this hammer. And let me tighten. Okay, this one's pretty tough, but that's the way I got the other ones. So just keep trying. I don't wanna make the video too long, but this is the point. Keep hitting and hitting and hitting, and that's coming out too. You can see right there, it just moved. So I'm gonna continue hitting and hitting and hitting. Both of the two are gonna come up. And last thing is when like these two pieces were together, the two transmission shafts and this one, they were connected. So the way I did it is with the slanted the grinder, I kind of put it in between the two U-joints without damaging one or the other. That's when I took them off apart, and then this one was simpler, just to get rid of it and then popping the caps, and that's it. Get with the brand new ones. Alright, thank you. Please like,